Hello everyone and welcome to YouTube. My name is Chan Kwasniak. I want to say something about me. I want to tell you what hold me back in life. And I believe this is in everybody, not just me alone, but all of us. The fear of trying something new. I can tell you right now, every day when I wake up, it felt like I am a very different person. So I wanted so much to practice, to learn something new every day. When I wake up, I cannot hold myself back. I just keep on moving. Like I am somebody who want to learn more, who want to learn much, want to learn things that I find useful in my life, that I know that they can shape me, they can shape my life, and they can shape everybody around me. So, and this is one thing that I want to tell you right now. You don't have to fear. You have to fight that fear. You want to keep on moving, you got to do it yourself. You don't have to wait for anybody. Don't wait for somebody to tell you what to do. So you got yourself. Do it. Try it. Don't fear. The fear of trying is what make you weak, what make you failure. So sometimes people might laugh at you and maybe, you know, bullying you, but it does not matter as long as you are a dreamer. If you are a dreamer, you can stay push on, like what I'm doing right now. I don't care what others said about me, because I know that I'm fighting for me. So whatever I achieve on the process, I know that it's gonna help them as well. So right now I'm fighting for myself, and when I achieve the result, it will also benefit them. And this is what you can also do yourself. Do it for you, please. Okay. Thank you. That's what I want to tell you about me.